Hi guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today I'm going to be doing this Evie look from Descendants 3. So let's just get right into it. Woo, 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 woo. So guys, it's pretty easy. So I'm going to be using Cola Flow from this palette. And I'm just using this color. We're just going to do two eyeshadows. It's pretty simple. Now I'm just going to kind of blend that on the lid also. We're just doing this all over my eye. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of this dark color in my crease. Now I'm going to get a little bit under my eye, a lighter color. I'm doing the eyeliner with this and then topping it with this blue. Use this sparkly dark blue. All we're doing is going over the eyeliner. Now I'm going to do my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline mascara called the Big Shot. Now I'm going to do the blush. Where did I put it? I'm doing this on my apples of the cheeks and back. I'm going to be using the color Granite. I'm following my natural eyebrow. Eyebrows are done. Time for the red lip. This color is from NYX. It's called Glitter Gold. I'm topping it with the NYX Candy Slick in the color Jawbreaker. Here's the lip color. Now we're gonna finish by completing the look by doing the wig and a special item. Here is the final look, guys. The wig for Evie is better on Amazon. The costume is better on Disney. So there's a little pro tip for you. Oh, and the crown, they haven't come out with the actual Evie crown yet, but they will at the end of August. You could get this one on Amazon or wait for the other one to come out. Evie is always one of my favorite looks. The only thing I don't like about these costumes when they're leather, they always make this sound. Hope you guys like this Evie look. And if you want to see more Descendants 3 looks, click right here. And also these gloves have hearts on them. Bye guys. Now Evie out.